two sets of iPod Pro cases. They look exactly the same from the outside, but there's one big difference. This one is newer, this one is older. How can I tell? If I flip them over, I can see the ports are slightly different. Here's the deal, guys. All the older iPhones and the older accessories, they used to use these little lightning cables. It was like a little flat cable with a bunch of little ridges on it. The trick is that nothing uses this anymore. Newer iPhones, newer accessories, all the Samsung Galaxy phones, all the newer phones, they all use a slightly different outlet now. This is called USB-C. It is the universal outlet for power now for almost all gadgets, and that's really great. That means that any gadget you get will almost always use the exact same little plug, and that's where this comes in. This is a 2-pack of cords and chargers. Here's the deal, guys. When you go ahead and buy a new iPhone, new accessories for your Android device, whatever you buy, you're going to end up getting one short little cord, and that's it. And that little cord is going to have a USB-C on one side and probably a USB-C on the other side. But you're not going to get a charging block. You're not going to get anything special. You're not going to be able to do anything with it. That's where this 2-pack comes in. This is a 2-pack of super fast chargers. They plug straight into the wall, just like that. They are 30 watt. That means that they are going to charge any accessory, AirPods, earphones, tablets, phones, laptops, anything you can plug into USB-C on one side and then USB-C on the other. They will charge them super quickly. Oops, wrong one. They will charge them super quickly. There you go. 30 watts is a super fast charge. Now, the other cool thing about this 2-pack is you get 2 of these plugs. So think about this, guys. When you go ahead and charge somewhere, do you only charge your phone in one place in the entire world? Of course not. You probably charge it at school, maybe at work, maybe at home, maybe in the kitchen, maybe next to the bed, maybe next to the couch. You need multiple plugs. Multiple plugs with a little USB-C right there. That's perfect. You have a 2-pack of those, and here's the other cool part. You get a 2-pack of cords. You get one cord, not 3 feet, 6.5 feet. That is perfect for charging in a kitchen, maybe charging next to an outlet next to a couch. That's the sort of thing you might want to do. But you also get, and still wrapped up for me, a 10-foot cord. So you got a 10-foot cord, you got a 6.5-foot cord, and then you get 2 of these plugs all in one package. You have basically a whole charging set right here. My kids love this. They just got brand new iPhones. They got one little crappy charging cord, which I think is about 3 feet long. It is almost useless. That's where we got these 2 plugs, 2 cords, 10.5 or 10 foot and 6.5. It works great. It charges really fast. These things go anywhere. They're white. They work really well. We've been charging up all sorts of things, iPads, AirPods, newer iPhones. These are great. You want to get this packet if you're going to be getting any kind of new accessories for the holidays, and they're most likely going to be USB-C. This is what you want to get. 2 plugs, 2 cords of different lengths, and you are set to go. This is a whole charging kit. It's highly recommended.